my baby, got me staring at you. So I'm crazy, won't you bend that back for me? We won't stop, got your feet both locked. You get to fly with me. I can take you down for a ride. I take you around my life. Jaywalking, crosswalking, lip locking with you. I know it, you know it, we make it. Take you down for a ride. I take you around my life. Jaywalking, crosswalking, lip locking with you. I know it, you know it, we make it. Oh my baby. So I'm crazy. Oh my baby, got me staring at you. So I'm crazy, won't you bend that back for me? We won't stop, got your feet both locked. You get to fly with me. I can take you down for a ride. I take you around my life. Jaywalking, crosswalking, lip locking with you. I know it, you know it, we make it.
That thing can protect your leg from burning. So it was a good experience here at the RE showroom. I just checked out both the bikes, the Interceptor and the Continental GT 650s. Both bikes look phenomenally good. The fit and finish are really very good. The one thing that I liked about both the bikes are both these bikes get the Pirelli tires and dual channel ABS. This is the thing, and I just heard, you just may have heard at the exhaust note, this both bikes look sound so great in their stocks. You don't even need to change their exhaust. The stock ones are so good. I'm really impressed by this new update of the Royal Enfield bikes. Do let us know in the comment section which one do you prefer, the Interceptor or the Continental GT. As for my liking, I think the Continental GT looks better. Engine wise, both bikes get the same engine, the 650cc twin parallel fuel injected engine that produces a power of, I think, 47 bhp and around 53 Nm of torque. I may be wrong, I'll just put the right number on the screen. So there's enough of power, enough of torque. So that was it for today. Do hit the like button if you like the video, share your thoughts in the comment, and subscribe to the channel for more upcoming videos. Till then, ride safe, always wear a helmet while riding, and goodbye.